Taxes, a seemingly inescapable part of our lives, often surround us with myths and misconceptions. Today, we're unraveling some of the most widespread tax myths to shed light on the facts you truly need to know. By the end of this video, you'll have a clearer understanding of the tax landscape, free from the smoke and mirrors of misinformation. To start, let's address one of the most prevailing myths: the notion that receiving a tax refund is a financial windfall or a reward for managing your money wisely. In reality, a tax refund is not a bonus or a windfall at all. It simply means that you have overpaid your taxes throughout the year. While it's natural to feel some satisfaction upon receiving that check, it's simply your own money being returned to you. To better manage your finances, consider adjusting your withholdings to keep more of your earnings throughout the year, rather than letting the government hold on to it interest-free. Next, we turn our attention to the myth that all income is taxed equally. This misconception can lead to confusion, particularly during tax season. The truth is, not all income is subjected to the same tax treatment. For instance, wages from your job, capital gains from investments, dividends, and rental income can all be taxed differently. This differentiation can affect how much you pay in taxes or how you can potentially save. Understanding these differences is crucial to effective tax planning. Let's also dispel the myth that taxes across the world are universally high. In truth, tax rates vary significantly from country to country. Some nations like Monaco and the Cayman Islands are well-known tax havens with much lower tax obligations, whereas others like Denmark and France are on the higher end of the spectrum. Understanding the tax policies of different regions can greatly benefit individuals who may consider relocating for work or retirement. Another common misconception is that tax audits are standard practice for anyone who becomes wealthy or earns substantial amounts of money. While it is true that certain triggers can increase the likelihood of an audit, such as substantial income or complex deductions, the average taxpayer will never experience an audit. Statistically, audits are quite rare and are often triggered by discrepancies or outliers in tax returns, rather than simply the amount of money one earns. Shifting gears, let's uncover the myth surrounding small business taxation. Many believe that starting a business implies impossible tax burdens. However, this is not necessarily the case. Small businesses benefit from a variety of tax deductions and credits meant to encourage entrepreneurship. These can include deductions for office space, travel expenses, and even certain types of professional development. Understanding and utilizing these deductions can significantly mitigate the tax impact on small businesses. Furthermore, there's a prevalent belief that if you can't pay your taxes, it's best to ignore them. Unfortunately, ignoring tax obligations can lead to significant penalties and compounding interest. The IRS offers payment plans and other solutions for those unable to pay their taxes immediately. It's crucial to address tax debts promptly to avoid escalating issues and possible legal consequences. Lastly, let's address the idea that filing taxes is a task best approached for the individual benefit only. While minimizing tax liabilities is important, tax revenue serves a purpose: funding essential services like public education, healthcare, and infrastructure development. Paying taxes is a civic duty that contributes to the welfare of society. Recognizing the broader role of taxes can provide a more comprehensive view of our responsibilities as taxpayers. In conclusion, armed with these clarifications, you can navigate the often murky waters of taxation with greater confidence. Busting these tax myths is more than just correcting misconceptions. It's about empowering you to make informed decisions. By understanding the realities behind these common myths, you're better equipped to optimize your finances and fulfill your obligations effectively. Whether it's adjusting withholdings, comprehending the varied tax landscape, or recognizing the benefits of timely filing, the power lies in knowledge. As you approach this and future tax seasons, remember, an informed taxpayer is an empowered one.